My favorite part in makeup is the lips and the bronzing part. I love this part. Hello my juicy queens. Yeah, today is another beautiful day in the juicy family. I hope you all are doing so good. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Estelle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite lip glosses from NYX. As you all know, I love to rock NYX products. If you're not subscribed, kindly join the family. We do beauty related content. You want to join the juicy family, so welcome. So let's get into the tutorial. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, do all the good stuff to this video, okay? Thank you so much. Let's get into this tutorial. So the number one on the list is Angel Food Cake. I know this is a lot of people like this one. So I'm going to be using this cold brew from NYX, their lip pencil. I'm going to line my lips. This is what it looks like. Next on our list, we have this one. It's called Cinnamon Roll. To use the MAC Chestnut, I'm going to use that to line my lips. Next on our list, we have Praline. I'm going back with the NYX Cold Brew lip pencil. So this is Praline, is one of my favorites. Next on our list, we have Ginger Snap. I love this. Every dark skin girl needs this. Okay, now, so this is Ginger Snap. This is what we're looking like. I love this so much. You need to add this to your lip gloss collection. This is so bomb. We have another one. This is Bit of Honey. I don't know if this is limited edition, but I just love it. I saw the color, I liked it, and I picked it up. So I don't know, but I know that the first four I've showed you guys, the first four I just showed you guys, they are always available. So I'm going to try this one with that lip gloss, with that lip liner. Let's see. So this is with that lip liner. I think they go so well on my lips with that lip liner. So this is called Bit of Honey. This is what it looks like. So I have this one. It's called Creme Brulee. I'm going to line my lips using the NYX Liquid Suede in Downtown Beauty. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to wear it alone. I'm going to wear it without anything so you guys feels and know what it looks like. I feel that liquid lipstick kind of all beauty away, so I'm going to wear it on its own. So this is creme brulee without anything. I think it's kind of, so let's add a little bit of lip liner. Okay, I think this is better. So with a lip liner, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to line my lips again. I'm going in with this one. It's called Fortune Cookies. So this is what Fortune Cookies looks like with MAC chestnut. So I'm going in again with MAC chestnut. You can use any brown lip liner you have. Next one, I've been using this one. It's called Cookie Butter. It's their intense lip gloss. So this is what Cookie Butter looks like. It's similar to Fortune Cookies, so if you have Fortune Cookies, you don't really need to go for this, but I love Fortune Cookies in as much as I have this. I'm a fan of lip gloss, so I don't mind. So this is Cookie Butter. We have 2 more to go. I'm lining my lips with the NYX Cold Brew. So this is called Cranberry Pie. I don't know if it's among their limited one, but I don't know, guys. On those days you just want to look different, this is a go-to. I like it. Last but not the least, I have this one. It's called Rocky Road. So this is what it looks like. Rocky Road. This is kind of red, pink, I don't know, but it's still beautiful, you know. It's still beautiful. Sometimes you just want to look different. Yeah, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial, lip gloss tutorial. As you guys know, I'm a fan of lip gloss, so I have more coming for you guys, so stay tuned and let me know in the comment section what's your favorite lip gloss. If you're not subscribed, my lovely queens, and you've watched till this extent, thank you. First of all, thank you for watching. And subscribe, join the juicy family. We create juicy content here, you don't want to miss it. Subscribe, hit the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. If you love what you watch, give this video a thumbs up, like and share my video. Of course, we are on our way to 300 subscribers. Your subscription means a lot to me. And don't forget to check my other videos. I love you so much. Stay safe, my queens. Until the next juicy content, I love you guys. Bye.